The message of today comes from the Knight of Swords in reverse. So now you are cautioned. Don't move towards directions that you don't want to move under or to move to. Okay, we are looking at this horse. This horse looks terrified, but now because it's under the rulership of the person who's riding it, it does not have the independence to make its choice. So now if you find yourself in a position, whether it's at work or in any kind of or school or any kind of position whereby a person who is superior to you is coercing, pressuring you, or even forcing you to do something that you don't want, then please reconsider your position. Because if now this horse maybe jumps over the cliff or it dies, there's the rider is not going to be accountable for it, or if the horse gets injured. So sometimes if you can protect your own skin, do that, even if it can rub certain people up the wrong way. Stand by your principles.